good evening, lovely viewers. I love to make a juice right here. 200, 250 ml of apple cider vinegar or 1/4 glass of apple cider vinegar, and then the apple cider vinegar with honey. This is organic, and 1 tablespoon only, and then 25 grams of powder milk. And this is already has 100% of vitamin C and sweetened nani. Just pour it in here, the 25 grams, and then powder of vitamin C, and then mix it thoroughly with hot water a little bit. That's how I use the and then pour it in here, 800 ml of sterilized water, or if you have mineral water, anything, or running water or tap water, it's up to you there. And then shake it well. Making juice in a quarantine situation is a good idea. This is good for cough if you have cough, and loaded of vitamin C, 100% in high in antioxidant. So it's very, let's try. So masarap. Masarap. That's all for today. Stay healthy, stay home, and keep on praying, and keep safe everyone, and